is he, Hawk? After a trip with you?
Oh, yeah.
Are you kidding? He went first class. In that case, his luggage is probably in Cleveland.
Oh, yeah.
Sponge.
Hands down.
You're very good, my dear. Where'd you train?
Bellevue, doctor.
Lovely place, Bellevue. I had an uncle who spent some time there. Not a doctor, I'm afraid. He caught him in the subway wearing mirrors on top of his shoes.
Mm-hmm.
The operation again, the bugle.
Hell yeah.
Very simple. According to the Selective Service Act, we're seen dining at
Okay, first thing we're going to do, we're going to take our sausage.
Catfish is a trip to the moon on gossamer wings.
Oh, stop it. Just stop it.
You know when you're mad, you're ugly?
I heard that, Smirk. How would you like to be confined to your bed for a week?
Anywhere she goes, I go with her. Where's Frank, Margaret? Still trying to call home?
There's a crisis.
Hurricane named Louise. I'd love to tap into that conversation. I'd like to be a mouse with earphones.
Oh, you would just love to see me squirm, wouldn't you?
Can I slip into something comfy first?
Pursuit Indiana, Major.
Okay, so we got our sausage in the bowl. Then we're going to put our cream cheese in the bowl.
Very grateful, Corporal. I'm really not a bad person, you know?
Yeah, I heard that one, sir.
I got terrific pressures on me. Always have.
Yes, sir.
My mother and father never got divorced. I'd have done much better coming from a broken home. Ooh, well, now what?
It'll be just a minute, sir.
Is it just me, or does everybody,
When am I going to see my home movie?
did nobody really care for Frank?
This is a private phone.
I forget who the name of the actor is, but he did that damn fine job playing Frank.
Sir, your home phone is ringing.
Louise? Louise? Can you hear me? Huh? Well, it's me. Frank.
Frank Burns.
Frank Burns. Can you hold on a minute, sugar? Huh? Go pedal your fish. His old lady heard about Major Houlihan, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want
Just
some
really
cream cheese?
some underwear you don't even need a girl for.
No.
How about you? You want some too, dude?
Give me a hand with the projector. Why my phone? Sir, I get
Oh,
so much
goodness.
and ask for so little. My wife's on the phone right this minute, and I'd like to talk to her privately.
Okay.
All right. Shake a leg.
We're going to plug this thing in
Don't get the phone all sweaty.
and get all this stuff mixed up.
He wanted to be, but he couldn't find a good corner.
Okay. Next.
Oh, look at that. Chocolate cake.
Great chocolate.
Look at that milk. I'd eat those flowers. Lovely table. What's in that bowl, Radar?
That fruit salad with those little marshmallows.
What do they call it?
That fruit salad with those little marshmallows.
Right.
Come on, from the Grace. Thank you for the world so sweet. Thank you for the food you eat. Thank you for the birds that sing. Thank
All
you
right.
for everything.
Then we're going to take our manicotti shells. Those
Look
are
at
big
that.
shells.
Look at the buds.
Yeah. And we're just going to hold them with the clean hand
I know, I can smell it.
and start
My
stuffing
cousin Millie.
this stuff into them with the other.
No kidding. A charm school and gas station. Hey, watch this guy. That's my Uncle David. Watch him now, watch.
The one with a sense of humor.
Yeah, I told you about him. He can do binoculars with corn on the cob, salt and pepper shakers, and toilet paper rolls.
A meal in itself. Disappointed. How's Janine? You give that soldier a big kiss. Is mother pleased? Can I talk? Oh, 40.
Okay. We're just going to plop them right back into the tray they came in.
Must a baby pool.
And I'll see you when I get the rest of this done. All right. Now that we've got all but 3 of these stuffed, we've got our slab of bacon that we got to cut open. Alrighty. Oh, beautiful. All right. Go. Next one. Let me just go from there. Alrighty. We are back. We didn't need all of this bacon at once, so we're gonna close it back off. Set this aside over here until we can take it back downstairs. And then all of these are going to go in the fridge overnight. You do not smoke them right away because the raw manicotti shells need to soften up before you smoke them so that they're not chewy. That's the secret. So we're going to just shove this whole thing right into the baggie like so. Close it off. And put it in the fridge for tomorrow. And then the rest of these can get set aside. We'll see you tomorrow. Alright, now, my smoker went down. It couldn't get it to light. So what we're doing here is we've taken a cookie sheet and we've put our chips down in there. And we've loaded a few of them over here. And we're going to give it a run. Excuse me, I had that mistaken. It's broil, but I think we got a good start to it, huh? Oh yeah, and I did mean broil, not bake. So. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm thinking of dry rub. Maybe some of my spicy sauce, because this is kind of sweet. A little bit of spice might kick it up. Oh yeah. You're aiming for 145 degrees internal temperature. My homemade barbecue sauce from earlier, a while back. I still make it, you know.
Attention. All medical personnel report to stations.
Okay. Just a little dab on the plate.
One team to the chopper pad.
How is he, Hawk? After a trip with you?
Oh yeah.
Are you kidding? He went first class. In that case, his luggage is probably in Cleveland.
Oh, yeah. Mm.
Sponge.
Hands down.
You're very good, my dear. Where'd you train?
Bellevue, Doctor.
Lovely place, Bellevue. I had an uncle who spent some time there. Not a doctor, I'm afraid. He caught him in the subway wearing mirrors on top of his shoes.
Mm-hmm.
The operation and can the bugle.
Hell yeah.
Very simple.